everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a fast, free, and easy way to fix your Subaru trunk from not opening all the way. There's actually a button on the driver's side that can get pushed in easily by your knee or a purse, and it is a memory button. When this button gets pushed in, it defaults your trunk to only open about a foot. So if you push that button back out, then your trunk should be fixed. Let's go take a look. Okay, so I've hit that button. I'm going to shut the trunk. And I'm going to open it back up, and it should open up all of the way. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.